How to transfer money using Comerica Bank App. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the steps. So without any delay, let's just get started. You may open up the Comerica Bank application for that, which should be available like this. You can go ahead and access the website or the mobile application and log in into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you should be finding this kind of interface on your screen. And from here, you need to look out for the option called transfers and click on it from the menu. And once you go to transfers, you will be found in this section. Now, from here, you can select the option called, you can select where you would like to transfer it. So you can use external account or send money with Zelle. Let's head over the external accounts for this video right here. And once you go ahead and do so, you can go ahead and transfer money using the bank. So you can look out for external transfer for here. Once that is done, you need to enter the amount that you would like to transfer. So just go ahead and enter it up. And then once you do so, you can select from which account to which account. So just go ahead and do so. And you can uh, select the date as well when you would like to send it. And once it is confirmed, you can even add up a note if you prefer and click on continue. After that is done, at very last, you can review the transfer like this. So before confirming it, once you're okay with that, you can basically go ahead and click on confirm. And that way you can transfer money using the Comerica Bank app very easily. So this is the method you can follow up if you'd like to do so as well. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.